Valley Mall in Union Gap is being sued by the family of a 23-year-old man shot and killed in the Sears parking lot in 2021. Police say he was an innocent bystander that got caught in a shootout between rival gang members. Cap KVU's Emily Goodell spoke with the lawyer representing the family, who says mall security knew the gangs were causing problems before the shooting and did nothing to stop it.
On August 22nd, 2021, rival gang members had a shootout in the parking lot of Sears at the Valley Mall in Union Gap, killing 23-year-old Jose Rivera de la Cruz, who authorities determined was an innocent bystander.
Mr. de la Cruz was standing outside with his friend, waiting to get picked up after having shopped at the mall that Sunday, and he was caught in the crossfire.
Lawyer Brian Nicholson representing the victim's family in a lawsuit against CenterCal Properties, which operates the mall, claiming they failed to keep their shoppers, including De La Cruz, safe.
Not only is there a long history of gang violence, stabbings, shootings at this mall, on the particular day of the subject incident, they had notice as well of an ongoing feud between two violent street gangs.
The 911 call for shots fired came in at 4:31 p.m., but Mickelson says Slack messages show employees alerting security as early as 3:22 p.m., more than an hour before the shooting.
There had been reports of other gang members walking up to people, asking them whether they're affiliated with gangs. There are people flashing gang signs, showing off their gang colors, brandishing firearms.
In one case, the suit claims a man shopping with his family inside Claire's was attacked by a gang member. A concerned employee had already tried to call security about multiple times with no answer.
Whether they saw a weapon or not, that should immediately alert a reasonable person to take preventative measures and remove these dangerous persons from the premises, which was not done when they had plenty of time to do it.
The lawsuit claims violence at the mall involving gangs and inadequate security measures are an ongoing safety issue. De La Cruz, the third person murdered on mall property in 5 years, all in incidents connected to gang violence. Mickelson says the mall needs to be held responsible.
Their hope in filing this lawsuit is to send a message to the mall and the security company such that they change their ways of doing business so that this doesn't happen to somebody else's child.
In Union Gap, Emily Goodell, Cap KVU, Local News.
We reached out to the CenterCal Properties and got a statement back saying, quote, "While we were, of course, aware of the incident in 2021, we only very recently became aware of the existence of a lawsuit on behalf of the estate of Mr. De La Cruz. The event itself was a horrible, senseless tragedy that weighs heavily on all of us in the Yakima Valley community. While we have yet to digest the civil complaint, we do not perceive ourselves as mall managers or owners to be in any way responsible for the tragic events that occurred on that day. Our most sincere sympathies are extended to the families involved," end quote. You can find out who De La Cruz was and what he was doing for his family at yaktrinews.com.